Any development? Huh. Any
Yes, sir.
development?
Like,
Hello. I mean, sharing the number. I think you please share the number with me. I will try to contact them and I will try to convince them because what I am feeling that things are not moving. You can just tell them, okay, Mr. Maithili Sharan Gupta, he is a former DGP from Madhya Pradesh and he has done this. He will be talking to you and he would like to collaborate with you.
okay.
So prepare a list and just send it because what I am saying that ball is not moving. We need only 9 days, but somewhere we have to start rolling. It is just not starting.
Sir, I have already told until 10th I am occupied. After 10th only I can.
Basically, Mr. Harish,
Sir,
Charter
1 minute, sir. 1
Accountant
minute.
Mahoday, you have to understand that clock cannot wait for me.
Sir,
Clock
1 minute,
cannot wait
sir.
for
1 minute, sir.
Mr.
One,
Harish as
1
well.
minute, sir. 1 minute. This time until this 4-5 days or 1 week, my mother.
Okay, sir. You please give the list to that. I will at least start breaking ice so that whatever little possible that will start happening.
Sure, sir. Sure.
I mean, at least you give the list of the people and you have to drop a message that there will be a call from him. He is working on this mission and he would like to collaborate with you, give a patient hearing and join them. This is my sincere recommendation. You can even give it to your company for whom you are CA. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Those who are connected with you professionally, even you can share their number and just you say that, okay, rest of the things, leave it to me. You need not to convince. I will convince them. Because they will be going to be the biggest beneficiaries when they need not to pay income tax. They will be biggest beneficiary when their check will not be dishonored. They will be biggest beneficiary when there will be no compliance business as such. Compliance business would be there, but at the same time, there will be no threat that somebody will be raiding anybody. So the whole ecosystem would be changing. I mean, we cannot really, I mean, we have already wasted more than 10 days in the process. And I made it very clear that I cannot wait for the 10th because that will be too late. And we need only 9 days to make it happen. Only 9 days. And I am having a faith. And let me tell you, there's something, Jai Gurudev Baba, he has already said all these things. Now, his blessing would be with us. It is going to happen. Whether with Mr. Harish or no Harish, it is going to happen. I am having no doubt about it. And that is giving me energy. You must not be surprised by the energy and with the dedication and with the commitment I am working on the mission. Are you surprised or you did not?
No, sir. Actually, हम सब आपके साथ हैं. But
देखिए बातों से काम नहीं चलेगा. It is a mathematics.
एक मिनट.
We have to trigger the issue.
एक मिनट सर. आपने कहा था घोड़े को हम पानी के सामने लेके जा सकते हैं. पानी.
अरे लेकिन वो आप घोड़े को नहीं ले जा रहे हो. You share the communication you had with them. आपने जो है ना मीटिंग नहीं की है. आपने घोड़े को कुछ कहा ही नहीं है अभी तक. घोड़ा अपने कान में बताया प्यासा था.
एक मिनट. Now,
have you understood the point which I am trying to make? That you have not shown the horse that this horse can get closer to water and the horse can drink it. You have not contacted the horse so far, yaar.
एक मिनट. Sir, we have to contact and I am doing what? Contacting people who are.
You please share that contact and drop a message. Maithili Sharan Gupta is a former DGP of Madhya Pradesh of 1984. He had remained the DGP Railway, DGP Home Guard, Civil Defence and Disaster Management. He was the DG Police Reform. He was the IGP Operations Kashmir. He served in various things. And he has conceived a plan which has been accepted by the government of India as a Crime Free Bharat National Police Mission under Micro Mission 06, right? And he would like to collaborate with you. Please give a patient's hearing and try to help out for this great transformation of our country. You can just drop a message, and rest of the things I will handle at my level. Because what I am starting, that ice is not being broken. They have not been told. It will be too late. It is the 10th May. You see that if they collaborate, and on the 10th May and on the 13th May, when the result would be declared, they will be having the crown of the chief minister. Who would not like to be the chief minister? Tell me, who would not like to be the chief minister? Who would not
Hmm.
like to be the minister? And at the same time, they are having a big army of the Chanakya to make transform this country. Even the moderation of the transforming this country is not on the Chandraguptas. But
Hmm.
somebody has to tell them. Okay, so let me make my point very straight. Can you prepare a list and share with me and drop a message to them that I am so, matlab, my friend or whatever the way you want to say, that he will be contacting you. He would be more than happy to collaborate with you. I hope you would like mission and you would like to proceed with us. The benefit could be, we will have the crime free Bharat, we will have the corruption free Bharat, there will be no taxation, there will be no jo hai na, botheration of somebody will be raiding you, somebody would be humiliating you, somebody will be seizing your account, and he will ruin you. At present, the people are being ruined. The people, those who should be garlanded and who should be worshipped, the people who should be respected for their contribution, they are being humiliated. And the people, those who are raiding their houses, do you know they are looting their sampati? They are taking away money, they are taking away this, that, because they feel this bugger cannot really report it. Is that not the reality on the ground, Mr. Harish?
Hmm.
Is it not the
Yes, sir.
reality on the ground?
Hmm.
So it is happening. Give them. हॉर्स को बताओ कि मैथिली शरण गुप्त आ गए हैं आपको पानी पिलाने के लिए. This is not being told. You have already killed a lot of time. I do appreciate your technical support to me, but that is not enough. Here we have to make them Chandraguptas. And by doing that, they are not favoring us. We are favoring them. We are making them Chandragupta. We are giving them the ticket without even spending a single penny, without taking any meeting, without doing any canvassing. They will be elected, and the people, those who had been the MLA, MP, and ministers and chief minister for not once, many times, they will be losing. Not only losing, they will be losing their security as well. I need not to tell all these things, but I am really feeling pressurized that you are just not moving. I am putting a lot of energy on you. I am not getting the result out of it except the technical support.
सर एक मिनट सर, हर एक की योगदान अलग अलग दिशाओं में होती है.
So,
चाहे वो
then give the list of. I am saying, then you please give me the list. At least I will connect, because I am new to the Karnataka. I need someone to help me. Listen, I have spoken to Mr. M.N. Reddy. I have spoken to Kishore Chandraj also. I have sent you the recording.
Okay.
And I will be sharing this recording also to everyone, so that people should say, I am trying frantically, and the people, those who are associated for the many years, they are not doing their bit. If nothing else, please share the contact number and tell them a phone will be coming from no less than from a former director general who is heading this mission. I am the project head of the National Police Mission of the Government of India. I am not a Tom, Dick and Harry. I am so much energy is being fueled by me. That is getting wasted because it is not being channelized. And I am very sure you are not communicating with anybody.
सर एक मिनट, नाउ मैं एक चीज हमें ध्यान रखना है, एंड दैट इज
please don't advise. Please first comply with the request which I am making to you, that give me the list so that I can start. Then you can give me the suggestion, okay, sir, this will be good, this will be good. I will really listen your point many times, and I will make it sure that advice given by you should be followed in toto. But please don't give the advice first. Please give me the number first so that I can start, I can break ice. And do drop them a message that if they should expect a call from me.
Sure, sir.
Because, see, your advice is not going to help me till I trigger the things. हमें चाणक्यों को और सदस्यों को जमीन पे उतारना पड़ेगा, उनका तो भविष्य बदलने वाला है. दे विल बी फ्री फ्रॉम द कॉलोनियल रूल. दिस बास्टर्ड जो है ना पॉलिटिशियन, दे आर थ्रस्ट द ब्लडी कॉलोनियल एक्सप्लॉइटिव ऑपरेसिव इंसल्टिंग जो है ना एक्ट ऑन देम. कोर्ट कहती है फलाने फलाने हाजिर हो जाएं. जेल में जाते हो तो साला आपको जो है ना नंगा करके जो है ना वहां पे आपकी तलाशी ली जाती है. बट दिस नॉनसेंस हैपनिंग. Any Tom, Dick, and Harry can arrest you. Do you know? A cop, without assigning any reason, could chartered accountant Mr. Harish can be arrested at the pleasure of my cop. Do you know this fact or not? This kind of the brutal power has been. It is with us, and you will be having only one option to get your bail. Why? Why that those kind of the laws should exist in institute? I am asking why this kind of the law should exist. कब जागेंगे हरीश? You are killing my time. And 10th के बाद भी कुछ नहीं होगा.
Sir,
because you are not putting that kind of the energy.
एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट. Now, लोग सिर्फ कुटुंब ऐप से जुड़े हैं वही मायने रखता है या किसी और से और तरीके से
कुटुंब ऐप से जुड़ेगा तो it will give me the opportunity to assign them Chandragupta. If they are not through the they are not in counting. They cannot be given the credit of Chandragupta because Chandragupta credit will come how many persons has been aided. So they may be helping, they might be sending my message, they might be forwarding, but उन्हें बदले में कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. They will not be even recognized member. There is no question of becoming their Chandraguptas. They might have sent my message to the crores and crore people, but उनको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा उससे. Are you getting me?
हाँ sir.
If they will do it, it will come on record. They will by adding one person, they will immediately be called mohalla officer, then town officer, then block officer, then district officer, then state officer, then national officer, and thereafter they will be in the journey of the Chandraguptas. But if they are not joining through, they will be out of the journey. They may be helping out from outside. I am fine with that. If some people are doing it, but वो कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं मुझे नहीं मालूम होगा. लेकिन यहाँ पर वो कर रहे हैं, एक आदमी जुड़ता है तो मुझे तत्काल जानकारी मिलती है. Are you getting me?
हाँ sir.
So please don't kill my time. Now you can tell me the advice which you were giving to me, and because I feel that let's prioritize. My priority is first to speak to the people, and everybody is suffering. कोई टैक्स से सफर कर रहा है, somebody कोई महंगाई से सफर कर रहा है, somebody कोई चौथ वसूली से सफर कर रहा है. वो कौन जो है ना बिजनेसमैन हुआ सेइंग के साथ क्या मैं आपके आइडेंटिटी कार्ड का यूज कर सकता हूं जब मुझे से कोई चौथ वसूली क्या है. डू यू रिमेंबर दैट इन दैट मीटिंग? सो एवरीबडी इज टॉर्चर्ड. वी आर जस्ट नॉट रीचिंग आउट. और आपको कुछ खर्च नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, आपको किसी से वोट मांगने नहीं जाना है. ये सब काम मैथिली शरण गुप्त कर रहे हैं अपने सिस्टम के माध्यम से. Still, if you are not really briefing people, so please give me the list. I will do the job myself. And please, जो है, let me know. Please share the list. Even Nitin can share his list. Educational institutions would be very, very important for us. Social organization would be very important to us. Even security agencies would be very important to us. Even the people those who are doing in construction, they would be very important to us. Because there will be n number of the laborers, n number of the people would be there, so we would be in position to reach out to them. And your businessmen would be very important to us because they will be the biggest beneficiaries. They are being extorted money every day. These small people contacting and saying, "फलाना आ रहा है, मुझे पैसा दो, ये दो, वो दो." This is literally chauth vasuli. The people and we are giving transform, and आपको क्या करना है? What the people are doing? Just joining. Now you please give your advice. You were intending to say something to advise me.
Yes, sir. Basically, my observations. Because every person will have a contribution in variety of ways. Like somebody is taking the
No,
internship program.
please, I do understand that. You please tell only meaningful things. I do understand that. I hope you understand that I am having that much wisdom, and I can really understand these things. I know that there are different kind of the people. That's why we made the different kind of the committee, technical committee, legal committee, this committee, that committee, finance committee. Had we not done that?
Hmm.
Have we aided the people from that arena? They are so selfish people. Those who are connected for the years together and still they are not joined through the app. Is it not that they were the wrong kind of the people whom we have really associated with us? For them, getting associated with the DGP was more important rather than doing anything real thing. What they have done? What they have done? So many members of the committee, they have not even formally joined through the app. What is their contribution? What is their contribution?
Sir, एक minute. See, our objective is to join them with the mission, and whoever is interested to become Chandragupta or Chanakyas or
we have to motivate them. We have to give them the option. How they will know what is the Chandragupta, how they will know what is the Sadasya, how they will know that they will be winning without spending a single penny. They need not to go to anybody and spread their hand कि भाई साहब मुझे वोट दे देना. The system is making there will be no canvassing, there is no public meeting. Still they will be winning, and the people, those who had been in the helm of affair for the many years, they had been the MLAs and MPs and ministers and chief minister for not one time, maybe many times. They will be defeated, they will be losing their security. But somebody has to tell them how they will understand it. They are so selfish that they are not watching even a single video. तो अच्छा क्या है उनमें? नहीं, let me tell you, अच्छा क्या है उनमें? यदि वो आपका एक वीडियो भी ठीक से नहीं सुन सकते हैं, and they cannot do anything, so they are the most selfish people. We have really adding them with us. क्या ये उनको जोड़ के हमने गलती नहीं की है क्या? They were not the right kind of the people.
एक मिनट. जो लोग चंद्रगुप्त बनना चाहते हैं, who want to take the actual be the leaders, they will come into.
Mr. Harish, you have to understand. First of all, they have to be explained. These are the so selfish people. They are not reading your any post. They are not watching any video. How they will understand it?
Sir,
now somebody has to speak to the one-to-one, and they have to be feel that there is all kind of the benefit without even spending a single penny, and they will be getting the benefit of the transformed India. कुछ काम नहीं करना है, कोई जुलूस नहीं निकालना है, किसी को पिटीशन नहीं देना है, इतना आसानी से युग परिवर्तन हो जाएगा. Have anybody told them?
एक मिनट सर.
And they themselves are not watching anything. अब क्या करोगे आप उनसे? The people, those who are connected to RAP also, they are also not watching. क्या करोगे आप? So one-to-one dialogue has to be there. The person, those who have added, they should speak to him. Why are you sleeping? You have not added anybody.
Sir,
say you are my friend. You are very responsible citizen. You are content. You are serving the country for the great number of the people. You are having a number of the disciples. But still, I am stressing on you, na? I am not leaving on you. I am saying, if you are not in position to do, at least do this much. Give me the list. I will try to convince them at my level.
Sir, एक मिनट. एक चीज हमें we have to consider, and that is the people who want to become Chandragupta, they will come in Kutumb. The people who don't want to become Chandragupta,
people
they will
have
be in
to
WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups.
Just a minute. Please listen me. They have to be
can
told.
we insist? 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
I am not saying that. I am saying you are giving them the three options. Number one option: do you want to be member? If you are even under the consideration, you will be Bicharadhin Sadasya, member under consideration. So those who want to remain behind the curtain, they will be the member. The person who want to be in competition.
एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट.
Just a minute. Those who want to be the Chandragupta, but now this option is being given to them, and they are being asked that they should specify what they really want to. हम उनसे नहीं कह रहे हैं कि आप चंद्रगुप्त बनिए. I am saying what you want to be. Number one. Number two, then what we are saying, along with the name, you just a minute and listen. These are the This is not meant for you. This is meant for the globe. Understand? Whatever I am talking to you, I am not talking to the Harish. I am talking to the globe. Understand that point. Basically, whatever I am talking to you, मैं दुनिया से वही बात कह रहा हूँ. So what I am trying to say, that's why we are now insisting, don't write name alone. Name के साथ में हरीश शपथकृत चंद्रगुप्त लिखो, हरीश शपथकृत सदस्य लिखो, हरीश विचाराधीन सदस्य लिखो. क्या दिक्कत है? Take your time to consider it. But somebody has to tell them from where they will learn all these things. इसके बेनिफिट कहां से समझ में आएंगे? उनको टैक्स फ्री भारत मिल जाएगा, कहां से समझ में आएगा? And they are deciding for themselves. We have given this third category also, that you are the member under consideration. Mr. Harish, let's not give into the logic. Let's not get confused. Let's start working. I only need 9 days. And for the Karnataka, we need 7 days. We even don't need 9 days. We need only 7 days. मैकेनिक लोगों को जोड़ रहे हैं कर्नाटका से, एंड हम लोग सो रहे हैं. आई सलूट दो मैकेनिक, आई सलूट दो जो लेबरर. वो हम जैसे सीओ से और हम जैसे जो है ना आईएएस आईपीएस से ज्यादा बेटर है. उनमें जो है ना अपने देश को जो है ना ठीक करने की जो है ना सोच है. हम कितने सेल्फिश हैं. वी आर एब्सोल्युटली सेल्फिश पीपल. और हम तो कह रहे हैं कि हम अपने आप को देशद्रोही कहें तो कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. यदि हम एक्शन डज नॉट मीन एक्शन अलोन, एक्शन डज नॉट मीन कमीशन अलोन, एक्शन मीन्स ओमिशन एज वेल. So whatever we are supposed to do, if we did not do it for last 10 days, we have done some cruelty to our mission. Do you agree with me or not? Hey, Mr. Harish, do you agree with whatever I am saying? Action and omission, everything is legally called action.
Correct.
Omission is also your action.
Correct.
Not taking a decision is also a decision. कल कर दूंगा, this is also a decision. 10 के बाद करूंगा, this is also a decision. So, can you favor me by giving a list of the people, and can you favor me by giving a message that they can expect a call from me, and this is intended for this purpose, and Honorable Maithili would be too happy to collaborate with you.
Sure.
Let them take call. And please give the small people, big people, they are too selfish. They are too afraid. They are doing n number of घटिया चीजें. तो उन्हें मालूम है कि हमारे ऊपर कहीं छापा ना पड़ जाए, ये ना पड़ जाए, वो ना पड़ जाए. The people, those who have nothing to lose, give them the priority. बाकी लोग तो अपने बराबर करना, अपने अलावा किसी दूसरे के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है. आप बताओ ना, हमारे राजनेताओं ने हमारे ऊपर 75 साल से गुलामों के नियम थोप के रखे हुए हैं, और हम विद्वानों ने उनको आज तक नहीं बताया. हम फ्री भी दे देंगे, हम ये दे देंगे, हम इसको 500 रुपए देंगे, इसको 1000 रुपए देंगे. अरे भाई, एक घटिया गुलामों के नियम कानून क्यों नहीं हटा रहे हो? और हमारे माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी, he has taken a pledge on the 15th of August 2022 from Red Fort that he will remove everything which is connected with the slavery. The whole system is not colonial and full of slavery. It is not only full of slavery, it is humiliating, it is insulting, it is oppressive, it is exploitative. It is indecent. So, फिर हम विद्वान क्या कर रहे हैं 75 सालों से? What are we doing? We are not even educating people. We are not giving them the choice. हम तो उनको चॉइस भी दे रहे हैं, एजुकेट अकेला नहीं कर रहे हैं, और ताज भी उनके सिर पर लगा रहे हैं. यदि अज्यूम करिए आज हरीश या एनी टॉम डेक एंड हरी, यदि वो अधिकतर लोगों को जोड़ लेता, कल चीफ मिनिस्टर बन जाएगा कि नहीं बन जाएगा? आई एम सेइंग, कल चीफ मिनिस्टर बन जाएगा कि नहीं बन जाएगा?
बन जाएगा.
हाँ या नहीं?
हाँ.
Whether he need to canvass for himself? No. He need not to canvass. Whether he need to take a public meeting? No. Whether his advertisement is required in newspaper? No. Whether he has to commit any expenditure? No. And ताज किसके सिर पे जाएगा? जो लोगों को जोड़ेगा. Whether they will be imported people from the north? No. No, I am asking this question to you. Whether Maithili Sharan Gupta is imposing anything, anybody from his pocket?
No.
Then it is not beneficial. The 21 objective, how easily it can be brought in, that is not absolutely difficult. The people don't have the intention to do it. PM Care Fund में जो है ना, you collected the money from everybody, and when the PIL, that RTI जो है ना, activists ask that how much money collected and how it is spent, and you say it is a private fund. How it could be a private fund? You have taken the donation in public political parties through anonymous bond. Why anonymous bond? Why anonymous bond? It's all rotten thing. How you given the ticket to the criminals? When a peon needs to be a person of the good moral character, why these bloody politicians, they should not bear the good moral character? If you say under the present rule they are not convicted till they take the final recourse to the president mercy, then please apply the similar yardstick for the peon as well. जो आप नेताओं को लाभ दे रहे हो वो हमारे बेचारे लोगों को भी दे दो. पुलिस की रिपोर्ट. Do you have any answer to this? Have you any answer to this?
एक minute. Now, should we focus on individual talking to individual person that few people can do, or should we focus on group gatherings?
Say if they are available at one place, I am at the Bhopal, I am planning to come. I think in a day I will be in Karnataka. So what I will do, I will make a video call to them. If they are already having, you can seek the convenience. He will be making video call. Would you be comfortable? So I also Zoom. What's the problem? And that will be published on Crime Free Bharat. So a number of the other people will also be, after seeing it, may feel like, yes, it's good, I should also join. And the people to whom you are talking, they may not join. And other people, those who will listen, they may join. I will not like to miss even a day. आप हमको सूची देंगे, I will talk to them today itself. Just you give me the list and tell them, hey, Mr. Maithili Sharan Gupta, he is doing so and so, he would like to collaborate with you. I hope for the transformation of this nation, you will be too happy to join us or join him. If you want to bracket yourself with me, then you can say us, otherwise you say him kar dijiye aap. So then you are segregating yourself with from Maithili Sharan Gupta. You just listen. I have spoken to my other colleagues from there, including Mr. Yaman Chandra, Kishore Chandra, and everybody. I am going to speak to Mr. Krishnamurthy also. And I very categorically said that you please don't need to join or brief them. You just tell them that he is doing so and so. He would like to talk to you. He will explain himself, and probably you will be too happy to collaborate with him. Because when I will be talking, I will be briefing them the way I would like to brief them.
Sir,
I would like to tell them. I would like to tell them how they will be benefited. Everybody is selfish.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Now, I think we can divide in 2-3 ways. One person can talk one-to-one, and I will be focusing on group gatherings. Because recently we had a 200 youth meeting. So I would like to focus more on group gatherings, and you can focus on...
I am saying not only focusing on the group gathering, that group gathering should get converted into the members and Chandraguptas. So you have to brief, you have to carry 4 or 5 people with you, maybe from your office. They can carry the different mobile number. Ask the people after addressing them, after explaining, that please जो है ना SMS on this number that I am so and so, whether I would like to be Sapatkrit Chandragupta or Sadasya or Vicharadhin Sadasya, whatever way, right? The person who will be receiving that SMS, he will be having the copy of your profile link. So he will just paste it on the message he will be receiving. And in the same hall, that app could be downloaded and they will become the member and they can start the journey of the Chandragupta or Sadasya, because we don't have the time. Whosoever is made Chandragupta or Sadasya as per their own decision, you are not making them. They are deciding what is good for them. Do you agree with me?
Correct.
So, but that make it happen. If you just go and take the gathering, I will not be benefited. It will be thoroughly useless. But if you are, say, if there's a gathering of the 200 people, can one person handle the SMS of the 200 people? No. So, there could be 4 and 5 people. You can just publish their number, request them, okay, please give your SMS, your name, and whether you want to be member, whether you want to be Chandragupta or you want to be a member under consideration. Give even that option also. Take your time to decide. Now, your person who is receiving that SMS, he has just to copy your link, or you have to share your link with him. He will copy your link and will paste it on all messages. Then, the next minute you can request them that you have already received. How many of you have not received? So, if that anyone has not received, you can, he might not have sent you SMS, so you will get that detail also. So, he can then send the SMS and you can share the link. So, everybody would be connected within a minute. And as per their pledge, since we are having the 10th May as our voting date, we don't have the time. And imagine a situation, and within 20-30 days, if we can make this miracle in Karnataka, then we will be making this miracle in all the states and in the center. Nobody will be winning across the country. सभी राजनीतिक पार्टियों के सभी राजनेता पराजित होंगे. All people from all political parties, they will be defeated. Only Chandragupta will be winning, and that too without spending a single penny, without taking recourse to Dharna petition, without taking recourse to Dharna, without Zulus, without putting any hoarding, this and that. No expenditure at all. Am I right or not? So even when you are conducting group meeting, then you have to carry at least 4 or 5 people from your party or your team. You have to publish their number, or you can even create a banner for that, right? And then you can say, now you have heard me. Do you want to change your nation? Do you want crime free Bharat? Do you want corruption free Bharat? Do you want tax free Bharat? Do you want freedom from colonial rule? Do you want freedom from the administrative and judicial system, which is of the colonial legacy? If you want, do you want to be behind the curtain or in front of the curtain? If you want to behind the curtain, because then you have to simply add 90 people, and when that Chandragupta will be notified, you have to take a pledge that he is my Chandragupta and I am going to vote for him. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
And we will complete the codal formality of all expected Chandragupta, because we cannot wait. So Chandragupta will be maybe declared later till the date of the withdrawal, and the expected Chandragupta, they will complete the paper formality and then paper will be submitted. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Rather, the final list will be drawn at the time of the withdrawal, because we are already too late. And you are saying कि 5 दिन और खराब कर दो. Why we should spend 5 more days? Or even if we are not having, ask someone else to do for you or for himself. Have you understood this? So whether 1-to-1 or whether 1-to-many, everybody, there has to be a standard methodology whereby within a minute those people should become the part of us, either as a member under consideration or as a pledged member or as a pledged Chandragupta. And we are not getting benefited, they will be getting benefited. If they could establish themselves as number one, they will become the chief minister. आज उन्हें कोई मुख्यमंत्री बनाएगा क्या? मैं हरीश आपको बता रहा हूं, आज आपको कोई मुख्यमंत्री बनाएगा क्या? एमएलए नहीं बनाएगा, एमपी नहीं बनाएगा आपको. Am I right? Here you can be even a chief minister, and this I am telling you from the day one. But you are not waking up. Acha, how much time you will take to? Acha, do you want to give any other advice?
Sir, can we really insist on people who are already on WhatsApp and Telegram who are not ready to join Kutumb? Our objective is to join them with mission. Our objective is to join them with Kutumb.
They will not get the benefit.
No problem.
हमारा तो काम चल रहा है कि जब वो ईवीएम मशीन पे जाके बटन दबा दें उससे काम बन जाएगा. And but why do they don't want to join?
Sir,
उनके पास कैसे कसौर है
कि why you don't? We can only tell, please join on Kutumb. Can we really insist?
अरे यार, we can explain them how it will be benefited. साला हमारा मुंह चलने में इतना कंजूसी क्यों कर रहे हैं हम? कम से कम हम अपनी तरफ से तो बेनिफिट उनको बताएं ना. क्यों कंजूसी क्यों हो रही है आपकी तरफ से? What's the problem on your side? Whether they join or not, leave it to on them. जो आपको मैसेज नहीं करेगा उसको आप लिंक नहीं भेज पाएंगे. Their decision कि हम नहीं इंटरेस्टेड है, बात खत्म हो गई. Are you getting my point? They are communicating to you. If they will not sending the SMS to you, it means they will not be joining you. Then you should ask the question कि भैया इतने सारे लोग जो है ना आपने एसएमएस नहीं भेजा है, do you have some valid point to make that choice? I would like to give the certain clarification. मतलब unless you are thrashing things, they are the decision maker. You are not the decision maker. You are not thrashing anything. You are time and again explaining. But if you are not taking botheration of explaining, then from where they will learn it? Somebody has to explain it, no? Acha, okay, now forget about it. How long you will be taking to sending me a list, and you need not to exhaust list. You can give the one list. I will be taking time to talking to them and send a message that they can expect a call and preferably a video call.
Okay.
So first I will share with them the Zoom link and I will give the time, and at that time I will be in position to talk to them. So I will be in position to address many people, at least 100 people at a time. And I would be in position to address their query as well. Am I making sense to you?
Sure, sir.
अच्छा, कितनी देर में भेजोगे? चलो.
Yeah, one by one I'll keep sending.
Okay, so send one by one.
I'll identify people.
So basically,
So one by one I'll send, sir.
Okay, and before sending, you send them a message that they can expect a call, and probably I would like to fix a video meeting with them.
Sure,
to explain the concept, and you can take a call. They are the decision maker. Is it making sense?
Sure, sir. Okay, sir. I'll what is that? Yeah, I'll identify the people and I'll send.
Because the ice should be broken. Because what we have lost 10 days, but need not to worry, because we only need 9 days. और दूसरी बात है कि they are not favoring us, we are favoring them. Crown उनके सिर पे जा रहा है, हमारे सिर पे नहीं आ रहा है. Who is getting benefited? Tell me. अभी जो है जिसको आप टिकट देके उसको जिताते हो तो जीत रहा है. हमारा तो कोई कैंडिडेट ही नहीं है इस पूरे हिस्से में. Whether there is any candidate from my side? तो मेरा तो कोई कैंडिडेट ही नहीं है. तो उनके सेल्फिश नहीं.
हाँ सर.
चलिए, तो जस्ट कीप ऑन गिविंग मी द नंबर. right? And I will try to speak to them, and you can send a message to them introducing me, and they can expect a call, and they should expect a video call as well.
Sure, sir.
Right. Thank you. Okay, regards.